Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For the newbies here, I'm Miss Maura, and today I'll be showing you how to make a pizza at home. I previously showed you how to make a burger, which I will link the video in the description box below or place a card on the top right of this video together with any other related videos. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, comment, and most importantly subscribe and turn on post notifications for more. Let's get started. So what you can see me doing here is checking if the dough I had earlier prepared is ready. I forgot to film that part, so I'll probably make a different video for that later on. You then divide your dough into 3 equal portions and shape them into balls. I personally just eyeballed this. Each portion will be used to make one pizza. Flatten out each portion of the dough using a rolling pin, just like we do for chapatis, only that this will be a little bigger. Make sure it is flattened out equally or round. You then place it in the oven to cook for about 5 minutes. This step is completely optional, but it allows your dough to cook much better and a little bit longer. You then start adding your toppings, cause pizza ain't pizza without the toppings. Pour in your minced meat sauce and spread it out to cover the pizza bread well. Add in your grated cheese to help hold the rest of your toppings in place. You then place in your slices of sausages. You can choose to use smokies or even nyama bite, which is what we used. Add some more cheese. It may look like we are overdoing the cheese at this point, and yes, we are, and it's because we like a little extra cheese in this channel. We then added a few pieces of meat. This step is optional and fully depends on the toppings you prefer for your pizza. You can also choose to add some onions, and basically you are allowed to go wild with your toppings. You then put back your pizza to allow everything to cook and settle in, and you'll have yourself a Scrumdelicious pizza. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.